How to make a piece of good magnet. Since Alnico was invented in the 1920s, the update of permanent magnet materials has constantly affected this age. As a comprehensive manufacturer of magnetic materials and magnetic components, SDM began to produce Alnico on the production line since 2004. Now it has 10 production lines, encompasses bonded neodymium magnet, bonded samarium iron nitride, sintered samarium cobalt, sintered neodymium magnet in the realm of permanent magnet, and ferro-nickel, ferro-silicon enjoys in the realm of soft magnets. SDM also have the production lines of rotors. In 2016 and 2018, production lines of grain boundary diffusion of neodymium magnet and programmable magnetization technology emerged one after another. This shows SDM's values of keeping improving and manufacturing high-quality magnetic products. For customer requirements, SDM team will conduct technical planning, quality planning, production, and equipment preparation at the initial stage to ensure that the products are delivered with quality and quantity at each stage. SDM team also engage in communication with customers to discuss the optimal product solution. SDM focuses on the management and optimization of product manufacturing processes. The production process is strictly based on the requirements of ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, and IATF 16949 system. We have professional laboratories and inspector. Every detail is controlled strictly to ensure stable and reliable quality of products. We attach great importance to the control of microstructure, and every production process is strictly controlled. Taking sintered neodymium magnet and samarium cobalt as examples, in the process of melting, SDM can keep grains uniform and fine by controlling the temperature, cooling, and so on. In the process of powdering, SDM can produce powder in a round, narrow range. In the process of molding, SDM can promote the powder into the uniform magnetic field zone by controlling the magnetic field and press it into blocks after it is arranged uniformly. In the process of sintering, SDM can finely control the heat treatment process and form the microstructure of magnetic material that is close to the ideal state. Through processes such as polishing, multi-wire cutting, washing, and chamfering, SDM allows the product to have the expected shape and size. SDM deposits the required coatings through electroplating, electroless, physical vapor deposition methods, such as phosphating coating, nickel-based coatings, epoxy-based coatings, aluminum-based coatings to realize corrosion prevention, cleaning, and other functions. To ensure that the product conforms to reality, SDM uses automatic CCD, size sorting equipment, weight sorting, and other equipment to test the performance and size of the product one by one. Magnetizer is used for magnetization. SDM also has excellent capabilities of magnetic component design and manufacturing. Our R&D engineers can design the structure, the materials, and the performance based on customer needs. At the same time, the component production line of SDM has over 80% automation capability through CNC, cylindrical grinders, laser welding, automatic dispensing, automatic assembly, and other equipment. SDM can manufacture permanent magnet components that meet customer requirements. Finally, the products are packed and shipped. The safe arrival of products on time can be ensured. SDM has developed Alnico, samarium cobalt, neodymium magnet, samarium ferronitride, and all kinds of component products. In 2023, SDM will build a new component production base. SDM, speed, dedication, motivation.